I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to check your payment history on Zip, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Zip app. Launch the Zip app on your device. Make sure you log it into your account to access your payment details. Step 2. Navigate to the account section. Once you're in the app, find and tap on the account icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Payment History. In the account section, look for the Payment History option. Tap on it to view all your past transactions. Step 4. Filter your transactions. If you want to narrow down your search, use the filter options available. You can sort by date or amount to find specific payments. Step 5. Review your payments. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, if you don't see a transaction you expect, double-check the date range you selected in the filter options. Happy tracking!